Hey guys, today I'm standing on some railroads and here comes a fast train. Okay, well that was a short train. I'm standing on some railroads, CSX branch line, CSX main lines. So that was a great train. We'll have another train come through soon. That's how you know if the train's coming. So they're both red. No train's coming. Hey guys, we got an eastbound train coming. Check it out. Wow, that made me shake. The train was fast. Hey guys, we got a westbound train coming. The light's green, there's a westbound train coming on track number 4. I don't know actually. Track number 4. There's I think it's a freight train. I don't know if it's a MARTA train or freight train, but I think it's a MARTA train. There's some freight train tracks right here. And then, oh yeah, it's beeping at me. There's definitely some kind of train coming. Yep, there it comes. Oh, I can't tell. Yeah, that's a MARTA train. See the lights green. Oh, it goes fast! Okay, well, that was really cool. That was the best train. That was a good train. Good freaking MARTA train right there. So good. Okay, well, hopefully we'll see a freight train soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Countdown. I want to see if you can hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up this video. And click that notification bell in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's over. So hopefully we'll get in our train soon. It's a pretty cool train. It's going really fast. Guys, we got eastbound train coming! Going fast. Oh gosh. Big eastbound train. Wow, that was frickin' fast. Really fast. Those lights should go off soon. Okay, so next train that comes will be westbound. Man, really? Look. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I was just leaving and a train just decided to come. Okay, well, at least I saw a train. Well, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell if you're new to the channel. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And bye guys, see you guys next time. Run dark, enjoy, friends and animals.